Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Beauty by India. Today I'm bringing you a dope tutorial. We're going to make this statement pom pom coat. Check it out. I had so much fun making it. The steps are so easy to create that I just had to share them with you, and I can't wait to see your own creations. This is definitely a celebration piece, a statement piece. You're going to love it. The look is such a vibe. Vibes, 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 vibes. So without further ado, let's get into this Happy Pom Pom Coat. Hello and welcome back to Beauty by India. So today's tutorial is all about this Happy Pom Pom Coat. Check it out, right? It's so neat, it's so unique. Every time I look at it, I just smile. It makes me so happy. I think it's so creative and it's a lot of fun. I love the shape and it was easy to do. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can make your very own pom-pom coat. So here's the things that you're going to need. You're going to need yarn. I suggest go somewhere where you can get some value yarn. I went to Joann's and they had this amazing sale for yarn that was 99 cents and $1.99. I got about 20 skeins, 14 different colors. You're going to need some cardboard because we're going to cut out some templates in order to cut and shape the pom-poms. Glue sticks, lots and lots of glue sticks, glue guns. You're going to need a plastic cup. Here I'm using my Golden Knights limited edition cup from Terrible's gas station here in Vegas. I'm a very big sports fan and I love the Golden Knights. So let's say go Knights. This is Reeves, of course, my favorite player on the Golden Knights. You're also going to need some patience. Do not forget your patience. This is a project that took me over 20 hours to create. So you're going to need a lot of patience. And then also you're going to need a jacket. And I recommend something, the jacket that I have under here was like felt and like a windbreaker, and it was a thick jacket that can hold up to the weight of the pom-poms because all these pom-poms are gonna put an extra 10 pounds at least for your jacket. So you want to make sure that you have something sturdy, not a material, not something that's crocheted or something, because you're also going to be gluing. So you want something that's thick and sturdy, that's not going to be weighed down and really change the shape. It's going to hold the shape of the jacket. You're going to need scissors, and you're going to need something that's very handy. Your hand. You're actually going to use your hand to make some of the smaller pom-poms. You can really customize this when you go to make your pom-poms. The things that I really love about making the pom-poms was that I really made some that were kind of really dear to me. So first up, I have, of course, the rainbow pom-pom that I use as traditional pride colors. I'm from Hawaii. We're the rainbow state, and it's always good to have pride, you know, a deeper love, LGBT. All right now. So then I put yellow and green. This is from Oregon. I ran track and field at the University of Oregon, and I'm a big major sports fan. So go Ducks. Then here we got our UNLV colors, locally here for Las Vegas, Nevada. Then I love reggae, being from Hawaii, so I had to make it in the reggae colors up here. So, you know, customize your pom-pom, make colors and things that are memorable to you. So next up, I'm going to show you guys how to create the pom-poms themselves. So I'm going to teach you how to make a one-colored pom-pom. I'm going to use this purple here, and you're going to take your cup, you're going to hold the end of your yarn like so, then you're going to wrap it, and after you wrap it a few times, you won't need to hold that end. And then we're going to wrap. Now, you'll get really fast at this. You can kind of eyeball it after a while, but I'm going to go with about 120 rotations. That's what's going to happen here. So just keep wrapping and wrapping. Now, when you do the multi-strand and you make the multicolors, you only go around half that, so about 60. It goes much faster. Here we go. Okay, once I get to the thickness that I desire, I'm going to cut a string and then cut here. I'm going to lay this string across here horizontally. I'm going to remove my yarn off the cup, and it should look like a bundle like this. I'm going to place that around the yarn right in the middle. I'm going to bring it up and I'm going to tie a knot. And I'm going to pull the knot tight, and it's going to cinch it and make it look like this. I'm going to place my finger and I'm going to tie a very, very tight knot. Then I'm going to hold the bundle up, I'm going to part it, and I'm just going to bring the string around on the underside now. And I'm going to repeat the knot, the double knot. You want to get that middle as tight as you can because it's going to be thick because there's a lot of yarn. So then you should have a little bundle that looks like this. Cut the excess string. I'm going to show you how to make a multi-strand. So I'm going to take this pink, this is that value yarn that it's called Big Twist. It's 100% acrylic that I got from Joann's. I really, really like it. It's really, really soft. It's really affordable for a big project like this. Here. Now I'm going to make a smaller pom-pom, so I'm going to be using my hand. So put the 2 strands here in the middle. Then you're just going to wrap and keep your hand straight. And here we go. And you have the 2 colors here evenly. I'm going to go around probably about 60 times. Okay, when you reach your desired pom-pom thickness, do the same here. I'm actually going to wrap it just in the pink, so I'll cut the length off the pink here. I'm going to lay out this pink piece of yarn horizontally. I'm going to remove the yarn off my hand. Place that in the middle. And tie it very, very tight. On this side. Then wrap the yarn around on the underside, flip it over, and tie and secure the knot here as well. There we go. And you have a 2-colored pom-pom. All right, for this next step, we're going to be cutting our large pom-pom. You're going to go in and you want to cut all these loops here in the middle. And just go around and make sure that all your loops are cut. It helps to have very, very sharp scissors, guys, because at the end of this, when you're done with doing all your cutting, best believe these scissors are going to be dull. So commit to having a pair of scissors just for this. Okay, now look how shaggy and cute it looks. It starts to look really full. Make sure you go around and you cut any other loops or anything that you see and then shake it out. Okay? And here we go. Now I'm going to show you to cut the small one. Oh, this is so satisfying. Right. Oh, she's so cute already. Each pom-pom you create is like your little baby. It's so funny. You definitely develop an attachment to it. They have their own personalities. So now I'm going to show you guys how to shape these with some templates. You're going to need some cardboard and you're going to cut out 2 circles. I got the shape from my cup. I took the top of the cup, and this is going to determine how large or the circumference of your pom-pom. So the smaller ones are going to be from the bottom of the cup. And I wanted to make 2 sizes, especially around delicate areas like around the neck and stuff, just to give it some depth. So that's why I created more of the larger pom-poms to cover surface area now. And then some of the smaller ones just to give it depth and to pop in, just so that way it really moves the eye throughout the piece. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna take your pom-pom and you're gonna shake it out and you're gonna place it like a sandwich right on top of your circle. Make sure you pull out all your yarn pieces and have them laying over the template. And now you're simply just gonna cut it around and down to the size of the template. So now you'll have a nice, clean, round edge. Now it should look like this. Now you have it laying flat. You're going to pick it up and turn it now on its side. Have it standing up like so. Then we're going to shake it out and press it here. So you did the top and the bottom. Now we're doing the side. And when you press down, you're going to have some stragglers, and we're going to cut those for uniformity. And this is going to make a perfectly round pom-pom. And that's how you get that lovely, lovely shape. Shake them out. And voila, look! Easy peasy, right? I know you can do it. All right, just got to make a couple hundred more. So let's do it on the smaller one. My template, place it here, press down and arrange my yarn. I'm going to cut in a smaller circle. Okay, you got it flat like an ice cream sandwich. Take the top off, flip it on its side, shake it, and press it down. Now go around, cut once again. And here's your next pom-pom. And now you have 2 different size pom-poms.
This is a beat.
Okay, you guys, so I am Pom Pom certified. I have 3 boxes of pom-poms, over 140 pom-poms. In this box, I have the larger sizes. These are all my really big pom-poms that are just one solid color. And then in the second bin, I have my large pom-poms, but these are the multicolored ones that have the different yarn strands. And then finally, I have a little bin of pom-poms here that are all my little small ones. And those are mixed with multicolor and solids. But this will kind of help me keep track, and it'll help me as I'm placing them to kind to give it a lot of variety, all right? So just go with what you feel, just glue away, and let's go. And my first pom-pom has just got to be the rainbow. It just has to. Go with the smaller size, this yellow. Let's see where you want to put her. Oh, I love it so far. It's super, super cute already. Now, you guys, this is something that I've been kind of contemplating. Whether I should just keep it all with the bright colors, or should I add some black? That way, if I do add black, it gives it a little bit of depth. And then also I can kind of wear it with a black dress or something like that. You know, I'm still debating. I'm really not sure. I think I'm gonna add the black. It's got a little sparkle in it too, a little sheen, a little glitz and glam that I love, so that's what I'm gonna do. Shall we try her on? Oh, sis. Sis is heavy. Woo! Oh, this has turned into a fitness jacket, honey. It's about 10 pounds. Oh, it's so warm. And the felt that I have on the inside is so soft. I love the coordinating colors with the orange. It was orange and pink, this jacket. And I was really sure to leave room for the pocket so I can put my hands inside. Oh, I love it. It makes all your moves bigger, wider. Oh, the expression. But this has been such a cool project. I can't wait to see you guys' own spin on yours. Check me out. Please be sure to like and subscribe the videos so I can keep you coming with more and more content. All right, check you out later.